My child, I know you've prayed for the same thing over and over without seeing results. You tire of asking me, you start doubting if I really hear you. But today you need to know this. Every prayer you made was registered, none was lost. I haven't been ignoring you, I've been accumulating, like a dam that fills drop by drop until it finally overflows. Your prayers have filled the container, and today I break the containment. What's coming isn't a small answer, it's a flood of answers. Get ready, because what you asked for during months will arrive in days. The weight multiplied the blessing. You won't receive little, you'll receive abundant. The dam breaks now. Write amen if you receive your divine overflow.